Hey guys, it's CS Napalm, and today I'm going to talk about pass by reference and pass by value. We're going to just talk about the differences of these. So today, here we have our functions. I named one, function 2, and so function 1 is going to be our example for passing by reference. And as you'll see, you might call that an and sign. Today in this video, I'm going to call it an ampersand sign. That's what it's referenced. And so, we see this usually as the pass by value way of doing things. So these are our prototypes. Let's go down to our definitions. In our definitions, we'll see the ampersand sign again, and we'll see a variable name for x, and it's an integer, and we will assign that as 1 and return x. Okay, so what's going to happen is that this is going to take a value as a parameter. It's going to go to that address of that value, and it's going to change it. It's going to set it equal to 1. And so this is what passing by reference means, is essentially for this first example, when I call it this first time, we'll see that we have our number, we print out num1, and what's going to happen is that's going to equal 5. And then when we call our function with num1 being passed as a parameter through that num1 is going to come in here. It's going to be assigned to 1, and now it's going to equal 1. So when it's printed out again after the function has been called, it will equal 1. But as passed by value, only the value is being passed as a parameter into the function, and so that num2 will remain being assigned to 10. And here is an example that you can see of this happening. So we have our int1 before, it equals 5. Function, changed it to 1, and now it's 1. Int num1, or num2, I miswrote that, it is 10. And then in the function, it's assigned to 2. But since it was passed by value, it still equals 10. And so that's the difference between pass by reference and pass by value. It's a pretty important thing because it's getting into the idea of memory and how memory works, kind of. So later on we'll get into pointers, which is even more important and can be kind of confusing for people. So stay tuned for that. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful and enjoyed it. Please leave any comments down there or ask me questions. I'm happy to help. And you have a good one. Thank you.